Guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be working on the C32 today. We're gonna be installing the Moscowsupercharge titanium pulley on there, and we're gonna be flashing the tune on it. Take it out for a spin. Maybe we'll do a 0 to 60, what the times are. See what boost I'm running. For the E55, I think I want to do a quick wash here real quick. This thing is filthy dirty. Gonna tell the dust on here. Oh yeah, look at that. After I get it washed up, then we will begin working on the C32. We still have all these goodies here to install in the car. I'm still trying to piece out a few other things I need to do before getting all those parts installed in the car. I was gonna say you can pull in the garage.
Oh, I was gonna connect Henry down.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, that works. I'm about to wash the E55, but you should be fine over here.
Okay.
A little crooked, but you're fine. So we got the pulley here. Let's go ahead and install this bad boy onto the car, and then we'll go ahead and flash it. Look at that, this pulley just slips right off. Slap this pulley on here without shims first. I want to see what the gap is going to be. I like to put tape on here before I torque the bolt down so I don't scratch up my, what do you call it, my clutch plate. For this part, you torque it down to 15 foot-pounds of torque. It's about time we tune the car. You guys have already seen me tune the car plenty of times. I just get my Supercharger on there, and I'll go ahead and unplug the fan, and we'll get rolling. Honestly, the only tedious part about the tuning is really flashing the car and then having to get out your OBD2 scanner. Getting out your OBD2 scanner and resetting the adaptation. You got to do that. You got to tune it and then reset the adaptation. So we got here Galeto. There we go. Boom. Awesome. Actually, I need to download my file from my email and download file. All right, it's doing its thing. So we'll wait for this to be done. It's the next day. Honestly, yesterday I just got into the car, ripped it a few times, had some fun. I didn't even record anything. We're gonna record stuff today. I just want to look at data logs. I think you guys would probably be interested in that. Temps are at 88. Let me check the ambient temperature real quick, see what it is. It says it's 77 outside. I don't know if that's true. Let me just double check on my watch. those temps are looking really good. I want to say we hit like, what, 13 PSI of boost? I wasn't really paying attention. I was looking at the dash. We'll do another pull here shortly. Drop so quickly. I would say that was solid, but yeah, temps are back to 97 in a couple of seconds. I got draggy pulled up. We'll see how we do on here. Alright, so it said 0 to 60 was in 5 seconds. It would have been probably 4.8. I didn't have traction at all from first gear. That's not too bad, so I would take it as a 4.8, 4.9. Yeah, this is invalid though, because it said that was a slope. So we'll go ahead and do a 60 to 120 real quick, see how that goes. So these are just intakes cruising on the highway, and we're looking at 104 at 70 miles per hour. Not too bad at all. I don't know if we can get a 60 to 120. There's a lot of cars on the highway, but if I don't, then at least you guys are looking at data. We're coming to a complete stop. I'm gonna idle here at a red light just so you guys can see my temps. I'm showing you all this because I know you guys are curious with my setup. So we're just sitting here. I don't know if it's gonna climb or if it's just gonna stay. I think it just stays at 102. I think I got some good data going from 60 to I think 125 or 130 on here. Hopefully it actually captures what I was recording. If anything, it'll probably be pictures. Still on the highway, still cruising. We are looking at 100 intake air temps with AC on. I'm not sure if AC makes any difference. We're at 99. The lowest I've seen so far, 97. I think the faster we go, I think temps drop. Man, can you imagine this in the winter? Like the intake air temps? Those are some really good temps. I think the temperature is around like 80 right now. I'm glad we got some good data. Let me pop the hood real quick. Make sure everything is looking good. If you guys hear crazy noises, it's because we're right next to the highway. Yeah, everything is looking really good. It's working as it should. Intercooler pump, I gotta upgrade that before getting on the dyno. And I'm thinking, honestly, guys, for the dyno, maybe I want to push it out a little bit just so the weather gets, you know, a little chillier, so we can get some good intake air temps, so we can see how much power we can actually push out of this thing. Still want to keep this car as a reliable, powerful car that would be a daily, and you can easily take this on a road trip. And that's why, you know, we went with this setup, the 82 millimeter throttle body, the 65 over 175, and the 5cc injectors, and that's pretty much it. Like it's gonna be a weapon. Easily 11s on the track, low 11s on the track, I would say, or not low 11s, mid 11s, I would say. You guys finally got to see data logs on this car and on my setup, and honestly, things are looking really, really good. So if you guys still want to keep staying updated to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Smash the like button also, because you guys have been smashing the like button and it's been helping out a ton. If we can get this video to 100 likes, that would be amazing. One last look, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.